Scandal Squad, welcome back to the channel, Celebrity Scandalous. Yesterday was crazy on the New York subway. It started flooding, people were stranded. But before we get into that, please hit that like button. Now let's get into the mess. So yesterday, and this is being reported by people were literally stranded. Apparently there was like a flood, some pipes busted, and there was a flash flooding in New York City. And they said that they had one of the heaviest rainfalls that they've had in years. Like, it set a record. So it says things you need to know. There was a flash flooding in New York City yesterday, led to flooded subway. Several passengers caught it on camera. There were torrential downpours, set a new rainfall records in parts of New York and New Jersey, and more flash flooding concerns linger through the mid-Atlantic and Appalachian areas for the rest of the week. So this was crazy, you guys. Let's take a look at some of these videos. This is just one clip, but it was crazy and it was scary. Look at this, you guys. Can you imagine being stuck on the train and seeing this?
No, he shouldn't. He should get out of the station.
Look at that. It's actually getting into the train.
I'm gonna come stairs while they're in the back. I feel walk through you.
Yeah.
You see it?
Oh man.
So the passengers had to wait, and they were stranded, and things were delayed for like hours. But can you imagine? Because one of the things that, even though most of these rail systems are built to, you know, endure water and things like that, a massive water splash like that or flooding could potentially disrupt the power within some of these places. It's happened in the Bay Area before on our BART system. So fortunately, there have been no reports that anybody was injured, but y'all, that was crazy. All right, I will see you on the next video.